It's me, Arwa, A-R-W-A, and I'm from Class 1D, English Education Department. Now we are going to pronounce E, E, A, and sounds. So let's get started. Number 1. I saw a bean sprouts beside the rubbish bin. Here we have bean, P-E-A-N, and bin, B-I-N. I saw a bean sprouts beside the rubbish bin. Number 2. I beat an eel, but then it bit and made me ill for a week. Here we have beat, B-E-A-T, and bit, B-I-T. And then we have eel, I-E-E-L, and ill, I-L-L. I bit an eel, but then it bit and made me ill for a week. Number 3. Our spoons are still made of steel because we try to reduce plastics. Here we have still, S-T-I-L-L, and steel, S-T-E-E-L. Our spoons are still made of steel because we try to reduce plastics. Number 4. A chick kissed my cheek. Here we have chick, C-H-I-C-K, and cheek, C-H-E-E-K. A chick kissed my cheek. Number 5. Can you feel it when I fill your heart with love? Here we have feel, F-E-E-L, and fill, F-I-L-L. Can you feel it when I fill your heart with love? Number 6. Many people admit that Oishi prawn chip is cheap and yummy. Here we have chip, C-H-I-P, and chip, C-H-E-A-P. Many people admit that Oishi prawn chip is cheap and yummy. Number 7. These shoes don't fit on my feet, so I give them to my sister. Here we have fit, F-I-T, and fit, F-E-E-T. These shoes don't fit on my feet, so I give them to my sister. Number 8. Johnny picked at my exam sheet and picked up 3 same answers as me. How naughty he is. Here we have pick, P-E-E-K, and pick, P-I-C-K. Johnny picked at my exam sheet and picked up 3 same answers as me. How naughty he is. Number 9. Sit on a seat. You don't have to stand all the day. Here we have sit, S-I-T, and sit, S-E-A-T. Sit on a seat. You don't have to stand all the day. Number 10. Hit the fan power button to reduce the heat. Here we have hit, H-I-T, and hit, H-E-A-T. Hit the fan power button to reduce the heat. Number 11. I dreamed of sleeping when I was sleeping last night. Here we have slip, S-L-I-P, and sleep, S-L-E-E-P. I dreamed of sleeping when I was sleeping last night. Number 12. When she comes to eat fish, the cat has eaten it first. Here we have eat, E-A-T, and it, I-T. When she comes to eat fish, the cat has eaten it first. Number 13. A ship has been transporting a ship to London. Here we have ship, S-H-I-P, and ship, S-H-E-E-P. A ship has been transporting a ship to to London. Number 14. You can't wear heel to the hill. Here we have heel, H-E-E-L, and hill, H-I-L-L. You can't wear heel to the hill. Number 15. A tin steps on a tin. Here we have tin, T-E-E-N, and tin, T-I-N. A tin steps on a tin. Now let's move on to the next sounds. It's A and A sounds. Number 1. I met my chairmate in a playground. Here we have met, M-E-T, and mate, M-A-T-E. I met my chairmate in a playground. Number 2. Did you tell a fairy tale to the children? Here we have tell, T-E-L-L, and tale, T-A-L-E. Did you tell a fairy tale to the children? Number 3. I can't wait outside when it's raining. I might get wet. Here we have wait, W-A-I-T, and wet, W-E-T. I can't wait outside when it's raining. I might get wet. Number 4. Do you sell burgers when the big sale comes today? Here we have sell, S-E-L-L, and sale, S-A-L-E. Do you sell burgers when the big sale comes today? Number 5. Let me ride the car, or I will be late on my class. Here we have let, L-E-T, and late, L-A-T-E. Let me ride the car, or I will be late on my class. Number 6. I don't think the main character of this drama is man. Here we have main, M-A-I-N, and man, M-E-N. I don't think the main character of this drama is man. Number 7. You bet I can't catch a fish with this bait, so give me yours. Here we have bet, B-E-T, and bait, B-A-I-T. You bet I can't catch a fish with this bait, so give me yours. Number 8. When you fell into the mud, it is a fail. Here we have fell, F-E-L-L, and fail, F-A-I-L. When you fell into the mud, it is a fail. Number 9. It's so pain when a pen stucks on your hand. Here we have pain, P-A-I-N, and pen, P-E-N. It's so pain when a pen stucks on your hand. Number 10. Mark was trying to chase his chessboard stealer. Here we have chase, C-H-A-S-E, and chess, C-H-E-S-S. Mark was trying to chase his chessboard stealer. Number 11. She got flecks on her cheeks after catching snowflakes. Here we have fleck, F-L-E-C-K, and flake, F-L-A-K-E. She got flecks on her cheeks after catching snowflakes. Number 12. The rest area has become a race track since last month. Here we have rest, R-E-S-T, and race, R-A-C-E. The rest area has become a race track since last month. Number 13. The whale is swimming well in the sea. Here we have whale, W-H-A-L-E, and well, W-E-L-L. The whale is swimming well in the sea. Number 14. He led the football club while I laid on the field. Here we have led, L-E-D, and laid, L-A-I-D. He led the football club while I laid on the field. Number 15. Get the package before I close the gate. Here we have get, G-E-T, and gate, G-A-T-E. Get the package before I close the gate. Now let's move on to the sound A. A. Number 1. He said that he will be by my side whether sad or happy. Here we have said, S-A-I-D, and sad, S-A-D. Number 2. I saw your pen on a pan yesterday. Here we have pen, P-E-N, and pen, P-A-N. I saw your pen on a pan yesterday. Number 3. I left him at the bars. Then he left when he called me. Is he crazy? Here we have left, L-E-F-T, and left, L-A-U-G-H-E-D. I left him at the bars. Then he left when he called me. Is he crazy? Number 4. We need 7 men to form an idol group, but we can only have a man now. Here we have men, M-E-N, and man, M-A-N. We need 7 men to form an idol group, but we can only have a man now. Number 5. A dead cat has been buried by my dad. Here we have dead, D-E-A-D, and dad, D-A-D. A dead cat has been buried by my dad. Number 6. He throws an axe with an axe on a tree. Here we have axe and axe, A-X-E. He throws an axe with an axe on a tree. Number 7. You can use a hat to cover your bald head. Here we have hat, H-A-T, and head, H-E-A-D. You can use a hat to cover your bald head. Number 8. I saw a man full of black on his neck last night. Here we have black, B-L-A-C-K, and black, B-L-E-C-K. I saw a man full of black on his neck last night. Number 9. The police packed a bag full of money from the thief. Here we have bag, B-E-G, and bag, B-A-G. The police packed a bag full of money from the thief. Number 10. Bad dog, move from my bed now. Here we have bad, B-A-D, and bed, B-E-D. Bad dog, move from my bed now. Number 11. The movie is not end yet, and I'm already hungry. Here we have end, E-N-D, and ant, A-N-D. The movie is not end yet, and I'm already hungry. Number 12. Do you blend all the ingredients? Why does it taste so bland? Here we have bland, B-L-E-N-D, and bland, B-L-A-N-D. Do you blend all the ingredients? Why does it taste so bland? Number 13. I lent him some cash so that he can rent a land. Here we have lend, L-E-N-D, and land, L-A-N-D. I lent him some cash so that he can rent a land. Number 14. He lost his temper when he knew I tampered his handphone. Here we have temper, T-E-M-P-E-R, and tamper, T-A-M-P-E-R. He lost his temper when he knew I tampered his handphone. Number 15. I pat your pet on its bottom and it bites me. Here we have pat, P-A-T, and pet, P-E-T. I pat your pet on its bottom and it bites me. So that's all. We have learned how to pronounce E, A, and A sounds. So I hope it brings benefit to us, and thank you for your attention, and peace.